poor guy.
Oh no, that's a perfect
I always
one.
feel bad for the
He
lobster.
is about to become
Oh, you want it in the white sauce? What do you reckon?
You're the chef. I want it very healthy because we ate so much last night.
You want the pasta with it?
Are you no pasta? Are you eating this too?
So then why don't we
No pasta.
throw it in the oven?
Getting my father to eat healthy is not easy.
I'm gonna split it in half, alright? Very, very good lobster.
But when I told him we got to do some lobster,
Italian style.
he became very excited. And so the chopping began. He added his lobster to the pan, put in some fresh garlic, a little more olive oil. Here comes the best part. He's flipping it over. Look at that color. And now, to really get it going, he's going to add some white wine. Watch out. A little fish stock. If you don't have fish stock, you can always use some water.
Okay, now after finish it like that.
Cover with the lid. And now it's time to make the arugula salad. We are not having pasta today, Dad. Plate your lobster. This cooks in minutes, literally. So easy to make.
The lobster.
like the lobster. Not only is it not what to like, it's you damn well better like it.
Oh my God. Look, oh my God.
You're not going to sit and eat?
Of course I will sit. Look, you do it like this, look.
He's getting it out of the shell.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
This is
Wow,
so good.
man.
This is so good, it's shell shock.
That was good. That was
Guys,
good.
this dish was delicious. Just another day at Monty's with the Chef of Greenwich Village.